So, hi my best friends. In this video, I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, how to turn off SOS only on iPhone XR and iPhone X. Fixed signal dropping, no service, it's okay. So I show you maybe best of the best methods how to fix this problem today. So now we go settings. The first step, we go settings. Guys, please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not, your likes, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So now we go settings and click search. Click search and tapping the text reset network settings. We go general reset, click network settings and enter your passcode, tapping and enter and reset network settings completed. I click cancel and now we go home and check this method works for you guys. Check this method and please write in the comments work, not work. Okay, now I show you solution or way number 2 how to fix this problem. We go home and we go settings and click mobile data and click turn on, turn off and turn on. And now we go home and now press and hold 2 button volume down and press button turn off or volume up and turn off and hold. And now guys, press and hold 2 button maybe 2 or 3 seconds and now you see slide to power off, left to right, press and left to right and your iPhone turn off. You waiting maybe 5 or 7 seconds and now press button turn on and hold maybe 10 or 12 seconds and your iPhone turn on and press and hold button turn on and your iPhone turn on too. So okay, waiting your iPhone loading and enter your passcode, your iPhone, and please check if this method works for you guys. Now I show you bonus method how to fix this problem. Okay, press the volume up and press volume down and press and hold button turn off maybe 10 or 12 seconds. Okay, now I show you slowly. Press volume up, volume down and press and hold button turn off and waiting, hold this button. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, reload. Press volume up, volume down and press and hold button turn off. Okay, press volume up, volume down and press and hold button turn off. Okay, hold and you see Apple logo, dark screen and Apple logo and finish it. So and check if this method works for you guys and please write in the comments work, not work. It's very cool and effective methods how to fix this problem. Okay, now enter your passcodes, your iPhone, and check if this method works for you. And please write in the comments model number of your iPhone and version iOS your iPhone, and I'll show you how to fix this problem, your iPhone and your version iOS. Yeah, it's very cool way. So please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not. Your like, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments, and I will create video answer. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, please. Bye.